Let's see another picture. Phase 2. Is that phase 2?
Yes.
Now, I will now allow you to explain what you are saying to people. I hope you understand that picture that you are seeing now. I've explained everything, but from this picture, try to use this picture to now explain to people.
Okay, so let's have the cursor on the very first one.
Yes.
So
is it on the red one?
Yeah. Or? Let's start with the green one.
On the green, okay.
So the green one is that new smart city, new environment.
Yes.
That we want to create, and we bring people from the red, from the red section.
Yes.
That is the present Nigeria that we have, and we bring them into that green, and then they go through all the process of training, right? Now
and replacing
replacement of their values.
Yes.
So let's go to the next picture now. So this is the phase 2.
Okay.
So when you remember that you said that while we are bringing people from the red zone into the green zone, we are working already replicating the green zone at that previous red zone.
Yes.
So what we see now is that people who have gone through the process
through the green
process of replacement of values, and they've inculcated the new values and new lifestyle, then we put them back
to where they came from. And that is why it is what color?
And then it becomes blue,
which means a new
people and a new environment and a new nation.
Nigeria and a new Nigerians.
And a new Nigerians.
So those ones coming from that other side, that is where they go to. Those ones coming from this other side,
then they go back to their side.
So, but you still have why is it that then we still retain the green?
Yeah, because with that green zone, we're going to bring people from that other red zone.
So the green zone keeps on working.
Yes.
Because as long as there is still a red
zone
spot, zone remaining, it has to function.
Yes.
So until there is no more,
there's no more red zone. So the green zone becomes that the buffer zone. Yeah, the buffer zone where the replacement machinery and technology, re-engineering
is a re-engineering center.
Beautiful. And this is going to be in the
six geographical. So life is going on there normally everywhere. So the ones that have returned, they are also having their own life. But you see the border, don't forget about the black.
So even the people that new blue zone will be barricaded. Otherwise, people from that red zone will go and that's so true.
So that they don't mess up the
whole thing up.
They will need a pass to go through that.
Wow.
But then it's not just replacement of value system, it's replacement of physical country.
Even
so all the road they are talking about. Now you are talking. Everything. So you remember one time here we spoke about replacing the infrastructure.
Very true.
Now you see how it's going to happen.
Wow. So it makes the whole system. So everything is happening at once.
At one time. So the green something is the core. It's going to be the backbone where all the things will extend from. So that green something you are saying, the 100% fiber optic will be there. 100% electricity will be built there. So from there is when they are now being extended. So just like people are being extended, infrastructure also, everything.
Wow. Brilliant. Wow. Amazing.
Let's now go and see the third picture. I'm crazy, right?
You know, the idea
crazy.
is really crazy because, you know,
thanks to my team.
Wow.
Thanks to the team. They are the ones who are crazy. What was the next? You have another one?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now
explain to me what you are saying here.
So this gives like the timeline.
Yeah.
So it gives the timeline.
The progression of it.
Yeah.
You say, no, but you have, it's not just timeline. You see the details in progression. Everything
Yes.
you have explained before. Can you start again?
Of course. So
Okay.
let's start with the very
And you will see each picture will give you different change. So you have to explain the progression you see in each picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
The red.
the first is the red,
Yes.
which is the Nigeria that we have with decayed value system.
Yes,
Red.
everything ruined,
Ruined.
damaged. Yeah.
Okay. So that's the start. Then we go to phase 1.
Yes.
So in the phase 1, we have the green zone, which
Yes.
we call the buffer zone or the re-engineering zone.
Yes.
Barricaded
Yes.
in the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria.
Yes. And another major one in the somewhere.
Yeah, another major one in another area.
Yeah.
Now, from this green zone, that is the new environment, that's the new Nigeria that we want to see.
Yes.
So we take people from the red zone
Yes.
and we bring them into the green zone.
Yes.
And they go through the re-engineering process.
Yes.
So, and we know that while they're going through the re-engineering process,
Life is continuing.
Life is going,
Everything is still majority
everything is still
red.
fine. Majority is red. So life is going on. Nobody even knows what's happening.
anything is happening. Yeah.
Beautiful. And the regions we took them from, we are recreating the same.
That's number 3.
Yeah, that's number 3 now. We are recreating the same environments in the green. And then we start taking them back gradually. So that's why we see the very little blue
So
zone
it
there.
will have limited effect in the beginning. You will not even know anything.
Anything's happening.
Because they are so, compared to 200 million, they are so few. Just 200,000, 300,000, 500,000 first. So that's why it is so.
So little there. The blue zone is very little.
Well, tell them what is the blue.
Yeah, but the blue zone right now is it refers to the place where people who have gone through the re-engineering process. So this place now has the new environment that we need for Nigeria. It also
New infrastructure.
the new infrastructure,
Roads,
the new roads,
everything.
everything, the new people.
Yes.
With the replaced.
Now it has new people too.
Yes.
That's why it's blue.
That's why it's
everything
blue.
is new.
So it's
the
all
future
blue.
Nigeria of our dream.
Yeah.
It is America, Europe in Nigeria.
In Nigeria.
But it's still very small.
Very small, and it's also barricaded.
Yes.
So that because we still have a lot
But
of
everybody in that place is now already living like,
civilized people.
yeah, and nobody is uneducated there.
No one is educated.
They have senior people's house, they have the best hospitals, they have everything.
Everything done.
Yes.
So we go to the next phase, which is phase 2B.
Yes.
Now you notice that the blue zone, the green zone remains the same.
Yes.
It doesn't increase or decrease.
Yes.
The same. But now what we notice in this,
Red from majority,
so for the red reduces
that's the biggest change because you
Yes.
see, from red, overwhelming red,
to reduced red,
Red.
right now and increased blue. So what we see right now is that we're extending that new Nigeria that we see with the new people, while we still have the green zone, which is the re-engineering zone, and we still
training those
training
ones
those
who
other
have been
people
withdrawn.
who have been withdrawn. Yes, and we still have the red zone that still have
Still
Nigerians
living Niger life.
still doing their things. Then we now go to the phase 2C, where
almost.
the red part is gone,
Yes, but it's still there.
but it's still there. And then we have an increased blue section, which is the new Nigeria with the new people with the
Dominant
new,
presence.
Yeah, dominant presence right now. So what we have at the final stage, which is the end, is that little red zone that we had left is all gone. So now we have the new environment, we have the new infrastructures we need, we have the new people that we want as Nigerians, and then we have the new Nigeria.
Because at this stage, everybody that's going through that system, there has been a structure of values that they must inculcate
live by.
and the ones they must get rid of. So the whole thing is set up in the form that the environment itself is helping them to get
Eradicate
rid
those
of
things.
the ones that we don't want.
Yes.
And then the ones that we want are also the environment and teacher, everything is put in the
Interesting. And this system, if I get you right, is for every Nigerian to go through.
There is nobody, unless they are too old to work or to be moved around.
Amazing.
So 90%, 98%, our good plan is to have 98% of Nigerians go through it.
And what do you think?
But even if you just have 80% of Nigeria, it's okay.
If 80% of Nigerians go through this process,
Yes.
what do you think about the whole data issue we've been talking about?
But,
and biometric?
but that's how it is just resolved.
Beautiful.
You cannot get into that place without being registered.
So that also solves.
It also the biometric information. All of them, they're not just being registered, their thumbs, everything is taken.
So that means this.
So everything will be systematized. Everybody will be registered. Everybody will be dated, or what do you call it?
We'll have their data.
Everybody will be accounted for.
Yeah.
Every child that's been born. Without that, you cannot be a citizen. You cannot get any service that is in that place, in that new country. You cannot go to school. You cannot be registered. You cannot get hospital service without those ones. Sunday Adelaja here. If you believe in nation building principles, please like this video, share it with your friends, and let's change our nations together.